going on, everyone? This is Sway from Bernie's Speed Shop. Here we have a 1965 Belvedere. Now this thing has a 440 V8 in it, which has plenty of power and torque to it. Let me see. Say this thing for a spinner across block. Not a lot of the gauges work. Alternator doesn't work, speedometer doesn't work. But it does have temp gauge, it does have oil pressure, and the radio does work. And we do have a tack that does work up here. Now brakes work great, steering is pretty solid, and let's give her some gas. Let's see, one little pull. Step on the brakes. Yep, super smooth engine, super healthy, plenty of power. There we go.